Come with me as I introduce you to the daylilies in my garden. I really love the daylilies. They are so beautiful. And you know, they only last for a day. So you really have to capture them each day and enjoy them. That's something for us to think about. As we walk through the garden, we look for joy. And as I walk through my garden, I see the daylilies and they bring me so much joy. So come with me as we walk through the garden. Daylilies. The bloom only lasts for the day, so you have to enjoy them, right? Daylilies are so important to the garden. They're called hemerocallis, and there are different types of daylilies, and they seem to bloom at different times of the season. And this is the what we call ditch lily. People call it a ditch lily, but it's the first lily to really bloom in my garden. Daylilies enhance the garden. They add color, they add sunshine, and their moments of glory just tell us that we have a creator who really loves us and wants us to be happy. Yes, they shine. Their faces just open up and bring joy into our lives. I'm so glad that I have daylilies in my garden. This is a Stella d'Oro daylily, and it's a recurring bloom. So it's had its first flush of blooms, and then later on in the year it will bloom again and be very prolific in the garden. I just love the Stella d'Oros. They're small and dainty, and they just seem to light up the space. Here is another beautiful daylily. I have been able to just get one stalk of it. It seems to be very, very fickle. However, it's beautiful. I love the colors, and it just brings such life to the corner of the garden where it is. This particular daylily is so delicate and pink. I just love the pale pink, and it just seems to just blend in so nicely with the hostas. I have another daylily that has decided to show up. Look at her, Miss Pinky. Isn't she pretty? Here's another one. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She makes me sing. This daylily I planted long ago, about 10 or 20 years ago, and it has come up so brilliantly in amongst the pumpkin leaves. I just love how they just stand up erectly and just shows up so beautifully. Now this is a new daylily for me, and I planted them I think last year. I didn't get any blooms, but this year they've come out so beautiful. I think they're starting to mature, and I'm hoping that it will really spread and that I will have a lot of daylilies here in this corner next year. Now this is so beautiful. I also got this daylily a while back, and I transplanted it from the back to the front, and I created like a little row of daylilies there, and they are just so beautiful because the Stella d'Oro daylilies actually bloom first, and then these follow. Now these daylilies, this is their time. Started first with the Stella d'Oro. And they've pretty much finished. But now it's their time. To light up the garden. Here is another delicate daylily, and it is small and delicate in amongst the hostas. As I'm walking around and looking at some of the beds here, and as I told you before, with daylilies, every day you get a fresh new lily, and this one is opening up, and I like this arrangement. The morning that this daylily opened up, I was so excited. Beautiful, coming forth. Look at this. This is a new bloom. Told you the daylily. See the old bloom? And then the new bloom for today. I really should pinch them off. I'm going to just pinch it off here so that all of the energy can go to the next bloom. Plus it looks more neater. I love daylilies so much that I plan to add more to my garden. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Do you have daylilies in your garden? And it's a great opportunity for you to actually add them to your garden, because they will add such joy, especially in the month of July. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed.